Okay, so till others are joining, I will be sharing a quick intro about the Indore data and BI community. Let me share my screen. Okay, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay, so welcome everyone to today's call, and today we have two sessions planned. Just a minute. Okay, so recently, as I shared the news with all of you, that Indore data and BI community is now live on Meetup. So earlier we have the community on the Microsoft Community Forum, and this is the opportunity from Microsoft itself. So on the top you can see there is a Microsoft Fabric user group, 52 groups. So we are the part of it, and we are the third group from India which has been included in this group. So you can go here, and not only in the data and BI community, you can explore all the groups. All the groups are organizing in various type of sessions, so you can join them. And as we are doing virtual sessions, similarly many user groups are doing the offline sessions. So you can find here on the Meetup platform, and if you scroll down, so here you can find out similar events nearby. So based on your location you can find out. So here you can see Bangalore has also some events. So in this way you can find out many events. So coming to our sessions, so firstly today we have first session for different ways to load data into Microsoft Fabric, and after this session we will have half hour break, and then from 11 a.m. we will be having the next session which is for integrating DBT with Microsoft Fabric. So these are the two sessions which we have today. Coming to the current session, so firstly I want to welcome our guest Sainatha Reddy, and he will be sharing his expertise for Microsoft Fabric. You can find out the details here, and you can also check the LinkedIn profile for him, and if you have any doubt you can ask in the session itself, or later also you can connect with him on LinkedIn, and then you can simply drop him a message if you have any doubt or guidance you want. So I will be directly handing over the session to Sainath. Welcome Sainath, thank you for your time, and thank you so much we will for connecting with us. So now I will request you to start.
Yeah, thank you, Animal. Hello, all. Good morning. Welcome to everyone this session. So we'll go start with the fabric. Let me share my screen. Get the presentation. Okay. Animal, can you confirm? Is it my screen visible?
Yes, it's visible.
Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, hi everyone. So today we'll discuss about this Microsoft Fabric, different ways to load the data. So we'll go with real-time scenarios and how the problems are facing real world. So we'll go real-time world experience. So let's jump into. So as you know, my name is Sainatha Reddy. I'm a Microsoft certified data analyst, PL300 certified, and I work with Power BI and Azure related Fabric analytics. And you can see my email ID and contact in the LinkedIn. So if you have any doubts and any help related to Microsoft Fabric or Power BI, whatever related, job related, anything. So you can just keep in touch with me, LinkedIn and email. So, and today we are delivering into the Microsoft Fabric, the formal tool related to Microsoft Fabric. I mean, okay, let's go with agenda. So simply I will take you through these slides first of all. So then I will show the real examples in the Microsoft Fabric itself. So coming to introduction. So what do you feel like this scatter? Though, so the data is a new fuel for oil this world, and the AI is coming now. but don't worry, don't scary. So AI is just a power boost to data. So data will be the vast millions of data, trillions of data is generating every day. So we need to uh, load the data in the matters. So the customer seeking very fast data to insights. So they're coming to picture our Fabric and Microsoft. You know, the Microsoft build entire ecosystem for data from the decades. So why it is matter loading a data? So previously we have data warehouse and OLTP, OLAP connections are like, so it is a old databases. You cannot do everything in a one time go, but to do in a Fabric easy. So I will show you on a real time example. So let's take a taxi service. So the taxi service company have different problems. So they have hired different data analytics and data engineers and machine learning. So different departments have different roles and responsibilities to their from it, but they don't have any Fabric like before that. So they load data from traffic patterns and rides, customer feedback in the different database and flat files and traffic signals related or anything. So from those data, they have three types of department. If you see machine learning, they will data engineer will load the data, ETL load and transform, and from there, data analyst coming to picture. So hard to see that if they want to find a cost or a scattered fuel related, so just we'll take a real time example. So they are running a taxi services, but they want to find how much a cost incurred or fuel usage. So in the fuel usage and maintenance and ideal time, they want to tax separately in different formats, but now they are not able to connect them in a single dot. Like the traffic related coming from different app and the customer feedbacks, and so now they solved with a single unified solution is Microsoft Fabric. So now they have connected these three departments so that ABC tracks bring all the data into. So now I discussed the three types of data, right? Traffic patterns and ride information, customers information. So this data they will bring into one lake with, so in one lake, they will collaborate with Fabric. Now, data analytics and data engineer machine learning, they will work together side by side. So there is no easy to analyze the right data real time, predict the demand patterns and optimizing the routes. So now the company is more efficiency and better customer experience and cost saving, right? So what is Microsoft Fabric doing here in the real time? So even if you take one more example, like how they know the best drivers are in the doing this. So if you go with driver ratings, so you don't find only driver rating. Is it enough to find out the best driver? Not right. Now they will check driver rating, compliance, trip logs, and attendance. All this information, but even this all the informations are stored in different locations and different modules. So now they're combining this all these ABC drivers rank holistically in the just a Fabric one lake data warehouse. I mean, if they store into one lake, from there the data engineer will moving to one lake like. So I will show you that. So this is the unified solution. So now we just talk about ABC tax driving, right? So this just have different types of teams, like even the finance team and service related telemetry data and business KPIs. So in this Microsoft, the wonder is how they build is, so if you don't need to go with a data factory, so you need one more license or Synapse related, data science related, even the Power BI. So everything will be a different modules you get together in a license. Or else, even if you want a real time intelligence, how the traffic patterns or how much the live share is going to through. So business will get all these items or the packages in the one lake. So you can store any data in a one lake. It will store. This platform is structured into three primaries like a data storage and computing and analytical services. Each one play a crucial role, delivering a seamless data experience here. So even if you see, these are all the data integration or data engineering, data warehouse, science, and real-time analytics and business intelligence. All these are unified, combined. So even you from security point of view, also this is secured from Azure Active Directory and unified structure. So this OneDrive for your data, so it will store a single based on the organization SaaS model. So one data lake and one data lake copy. So it is an end-to-end solution to store all the data to solve real-time problems. And now we are going through this session and different ways to load a data. And after loading data, we will show you how we can visualize getting the business information through Power BI. So the business insights from this Power BI. So we'll first go with the Lakehouse and then data pipelines, data Genflow to shortcuts and data warehouse. So this is the ways. So if you see, this is the customer CSV file we have, and this will loading through Lakehouse, and these all are stored in Lakehouse. So we have product, region, CSV, sales, and date. So all these files are we are going to store in a Lakehouse through different types of ways using data pipelines and data Genflow, data warehouse. We need to create a data warehouse and shortcuts. So each module we can go through this. Let's jump into, and this is the Lakehouse architecture, how this data source and data ignition, it will store into a Lakehouse, and then we can transform using a notebooks or data flows. So then we can load data into Power BI so to visualize. And this Lakehouse by default, when you create a Lakehouse, it will give you by default SQL analytics endpoint and a default semantic model. So this is a look like warehouse how we can create. So this is a Lakehouse, and then we can jump into notebooks. Let me share you my screen again. So and see the exact where we are heading. I mean, are you able to see my screen related to Fabric? Anyone can confirm? Is it still in presentation? Yes, I think. Let me stop and reshare again. I think. Sorry, guys, please bear with me. So just different. Okay, this one. Now I'm sharing my Google Chrome web browser. Anyone can confirm? Yeah, this is a Fabric. So by default, Fabric will come like this. So now just we discuss, right? Each and every item into the Fabric, you can go through this Fabric license. I mean, most of you at least know the Fabric and Power BI related, right? So just I need to create a new workspace. So the new workspace IDC demo. Okay, I think IDBC.
Are you able to see the screen?
Yeah, just we have created a.
There is a like a blank screen or black screen No,
I
Yeah,
think you need to rejoin once again. So just
yeah, it's clear for me.
disconnect and rejoin. So I think better to you can rejoin. So easy to. So now I have created our workspace. So in this workspace, let me show you workspace settings. So easy to, this is the workspace I have created. My IDBC demo to the description we can word to write, and let me see my licensing are enabled. Yeah, fabric capacity, Central India. Yeah, everything is connected. Now I just want to create a new item. So in the new item, first of all, we need to create a lake house. So we need to build a lake house to load our data. So this is the lake house. The naming conventions are different. You can use anyway. So nothing to worry. It's take time to load. It's a on cloud, right? So bear with me. So now I created a lake house. Now if you see, we don't have any data here. So I want to load I want to load our customer files. So our customer file will load here. Through upload files, it will redirect to my local files. So I have just taken as a CSV customer. So these are the customers, dates, products. These are our files. Just open, upload. So it's take time to upload. So just we have it is succeeded. Now we have uploaded our customers related CSV file. Now I want to create a table. Just right click on this three dots. So these three dots will show you this data new load, customers, comma separated. Let's go. It's loading. Okay, I think see our customer table is created. Now I want to bring our data related to next one is products. So products related, we can use a fabric pipeline. So get data, new data pipeline related to my products. I'm creating a new pipeline to bring our on-premises data into lakehouse. So all data in store in our on-premises, like our storage. Oh, what happened? Things it's loading. Yeah. Now we just loaded, right? Get data. No, it is not. Okay, we'll go with the Legos. There is a pipeline. Now just we want to copy data. It's loading. I mean, previously we use a separate tool like ADF, right? So for this ADF, same like these pipelines, we can directly use all the ADF related connections in the fabric itself. Now I want to use this option HTTP load. So this is the data source. I just want to connect my data. So just I want to paste my, so this is the fabric, I mean, GitHub. I just stored my GitHub related files. So click on this copy. No, click on this raw data. I will share all those files. Just copy this one, paste it here. Now we are taking from the cloud. So the cloud. So this is not a on-premise data. Now we are taking from GitHub. It's loading. So I mean, all the connections like previously we have on-prem ADF tool, right? So like we can directly use this ADF integrated copy data and data flows. We can use a notebook. Now they have created a new pipeline related invoke preview feature, and most important thing, Copilot is enabled now. Easy to write. So how many one using Copilot in your organization? So yeah,
We are
it's
using
good.
it, Sana.
Yeah, I
I
know, I
think
know.
almost all.
Okay, just click on next. So bear me guys, due to the net lag, so it takes little bit time to load data. But if you are in office, don't worry, it will within the seconds it will come out. So how many guys are from Hyderabad? Let's say Hyderabad people.
I'm from Visakhapatnam.
Okay, okay. Mm, yeah, now it is loading. So now I have to choose our destination. So our destination, what is our destination? Can anyone tell?
Warehouse.
Exactly. You know, animal, not you. Let's see, audience will find out. Our Lakos, why it is name okay. Workspace, new Lakos. No, I just want to existing one. Demo to. No, why it is not
I,
taking existing one IDBC?
I think you should go on the one lake option. There you can see the existing.
No, destination will come here. Okay, we'll see.
Yeah, you have to go to one lake.
Okay. Yeah,
Just
now
go
it
to
is
the second
taking
option.
my IDBC local. No. Now I got it. So this is our lake host name, right? My IDCBC. Okay. Now just if you see, this is the product ID and product name. So now I just want to do changes. Product ID will be integer. So now we can change anything like here data types and adding data. Next, click on next. So our CSV file will be storing to it will start. See, this is in progress. I think it will completed within the seconds, I guess. Previously, I just, if you see, these are all the features, same, like it's taking load. All these new big features and favorite. Yeah, it is completed now. So you can see this succeeded data information. Now just I want to go and refresh my Lakos. We'll see products table is coming or not. Yeah, if you see, oh, oops, something is wrong. Anyone guess what we did wrong here? Products. Thanks to Microsoft, we can directly rename it. So I need to go again. So let's we just bring two tables. We are at to bring some tables. Yeah, next table we can bring region related information into our lakehouse. So region related, I just want to bring through another data source, data Gen2. So anyone from Power BI background, they will know about this data Gen2. I'm really like this guy. This is a wonderful tool. So we are habituated. Data Gen2 to nothing like but our Power Query. So Power Query in cloud. So regions, just I'm renaming for easy to find out. Create. So data Gen2 to have around, oh, cannot open only data to timeout and currently this. Okay, I think I need to close some data flows. Oh, how many are created? It's product one. Now we'll see. So this is a Fabric trial version. I just buy a basic version. So a very limited source. So now I want to get this data through different data source. So this is, if you see, these are the same our Power Query. So the Power Query come into online. It is in the cloud now. You can see this all the data transformation. Once we load, I will show you those. So around 300 plus data connections we have in Power Query, same as they have implemented in data Gen2 also. We'll go with Web API. So you can use Web API to get all information. Just I am taking, you can use any web, you can use weather APIs or anything. So easy to get data now into data Gen2 too. Just copy paste your URL, anything related. Just click on here. See, comma separated data flows. Create. I just renaming it, guys. Region. Just I renamed our table. So this is same as you can play with your data. You can modify your region in data types, country, decimal. You can change it anyway. City, procedure, latitude, longitude. So we have any specific custom, I think. Okay, no bother about. Just we can use all this information. Like if you see go data transformations, transfers, reverse count rows. We'll see count rows, 100 count rows we have now. I mean, you can play with this is the same like Power BI query, Power Query, and we have Copilot enabled. So let's see. So next we need to load this data destination to our lakehouse. Our lakehouse is my IDBC data demo 2. Now I just want to save and run. No, but there is something catchy here. But I see there is a publish button here, but I'm not sure, Petty. But you will see a publish button here. So it will directly give you a publish option. Anyway, we'll go here. We'll see the data is loaded a region table here or not. Yeah, see, data is loaded. We'll load the. So before that, I need to create a data warehouse to load our sales. So we'll go with a new item. Warehouse, data warehouse, where it is. Data warehouse. Yeah, this is the data warehouse. My data warehouse. Now I'm creating a data warehouse to load our sales tables. We'll see. So after creating data warehouse, I need to create a one more data Gen2 to load our CSV files into data warehouse. So I'm just taking one more source, creating a data Gen2 to get data related to sales. More options. We'll go with web API again. Okay. Just I'm taking my GitHub related sales related. Okay, this is the raw. So just copy paste. It will load our API. So just we are connecting web API. So it will load data into our warehouse now. From warehouse, how we can bring into. So this is a sales and sales. Just I'm renaming sales. Save and run. Now it is published into our refresh started. You'll see, is it in came? It will came to our Lakehouse or something we are missing. Can anyone guess? Just we taken data flow and loaded. So where it is went, we'll see. It is completed. Or else we can directly see any recent runs. Now it is still in refresh mode. I mean, you can schedule the refreshes related to your data through data flow. I mean, based on this information, you can schedule. So it will automatically schedule refresh. We'll go with our database schemas, queries. In the schemas, in the tables, I need to show. Yeah, if you see, this is a sales table. So you know the fact table like related to sales, we have millions of rows and it is have huge data. So directly load into data warehouse. We can here if you want. So you can use a new SQL query to find out what is inside in this data. So you can use new visual query and you can use a notebook. So we'll go with the new SQL query. So this is a basic. Select top 100. See, this is the top 100. You can use where condition. You can play around anything you want to ship date related. I want to see the sales related. No, you can just play with around. You can one more option like see the new visual query. So this is very simple. Just a drag and drop here. You can find any visual related. You can use this one. Just drag. Why it is not coming? Okay, let's see. Now we have loaded into warehouse, right? From so if you have different types of data warehouse, like if you have in a Oracle database or if you have in a different source, like if you have in a Amazon web service or Amazon S3 buckets or Google Cloud, so different types of data source you have in a company, but you don't bring all those into one place. So now we have added like a, if you think this is the data warehouse in a like a Oracle DB or MySQL. So from here, I want to simply call this sales table into our lakehouse. So we just unified into lakehouse, right? So there is one more options in the lakehouse, a new schema, where it is, new table shortcut. So this is the shortcut. This will show you, see, this is a shortcut. You can use Amazon S3 or Google Cloud, anything related to, you don't need to copy, take entire data into again. So this is a redundant work and you are storing huge data. So you don't want to change anything. Just you can take a copy of that data using these shortcuts. So I just want to create shortcut from, where is my IDBC data warehouse. So from IDBC data warehouse, we loaded our sales table. It will show you the sales table. Just I will take a reference of that sales table. No, this is sales table. Just I want to take a reference. Let's see, no, my IDBC data warehouse. I think this one. So anything, I mean, you can use anyway. I just want to explain you how these shortcuts will work. So just I'm clicking here, it will create a shortcut. So I don't did anything. So I just created a shortcut of my data warehouse table into lakehouse. See how simple it is. So I don't want load entire our sales data. So if you see millions of data, it will show you like this. If you see, there is one symbol very difficult. No, simply show you. This is a symbol. If you see, this is a shortcut symbol. You can find it. So you can find the symbol difference right here. This is means a shortcut. This is a shortcut table you have taken from different source. Now I bring our save, and sales is completed. I want to get data into our data warehouse. One more data from data warehouse to. So now we are just bring the sales. Let's go to bring one more data warehouse, sales completed. I just want get new data Genflows to SQL query. So this is a semantic model just we have created. So it by default, the semantic model will be created here. So date table, I need to bring a date table. Get data, getting, okay. We'll take a new data gen flow for date table. If I create one more data flow, what will happen? It will show you error, I think. We'll go with. So I just want to take a blank query to create a date table. So the Power BI, we create a date tables, right? So to time saving, just I want to create a date table through using our M language. Power Query to create a date table. So how it's simple, just we want to create a date table, just copy paste. Now just I want to dates table. So I have created some parameters. I want to give a start date because I know that data resides in this file from 2021 to year, let's say 31/12/2023. It will, so just I want to start the fiscal year, you can say take. So if our India, it is yeah, something I know. So here date format is month, then followed by date. Just click on this invoke function. It will create a date table here. So if you see, this is the date table you have added. So it will load into our data warehouse. Okay. So we are running out of time. We'll do later this one. So now I have loaded. See, here it is came. I mean, the data flow Gen2, we can use multiple data connections, right? So I previously used different one through web API, HTTP connection, or you can use mQuery. No, still it is not came into. We'll see where is the dates. I think is still running. Okay, no problem. I mean, I just created all these tables, bring into our lakehouse. So from lakehouse, we need to create a semantic model. Once our date table is coming, yes, date table very less data. Why it is not coming? I think I should use a single table. Yeah, it is came to here date table, right? Rename it. Just okay, we'll go with again shortcuts, new table shortcut, easy to refer, anything data warehouse related. Just I'm using this shortcut to create this table. It will very fast. So sales related. Once I load it into our lakehouse, we can rename it for better understanding. So I just want to rename this where it is went. Okay, still in here. Okay, I think we cannot rename it. Okay, this is a shortcut created, right? Where I miss this invoke function. While invoking only, we need to change it. Okay, this one we changed it. Now we can change it as a date. Is it will change it automatically? Anyone can guess? Or else we need to load again. We'll see. This is new to me, guys. We'll see how it is work. I think on data warehouse tables, it will show you. Okay, we'll see directly. Is changed or not? No, not yet changed. Okay. Where is our data warehouse? This is the sales related. We'll close this file. It's easy to manage it. Yeah. Tables. Yeah, dates. I think we need to create. I think it is created as a new one. So I just want to delete this one. We can directly take new shortcut table. So I mean it is easy to write, so nothing to worry again. Date tables. Yeah, now it is created date table. Okay. Yeah, my lake house, we got all the tables here. Just now I want to create a semantic model. If you see here, there is already a semantic model, I think. So this is a semantic model, right? So now in this semantic model, if you see, there is a gray out, right? If you find right, gray out, write DAX queries or open a model, you cannot edit here. So for this, we need to go open our lake house. Now, if you see, there is a new semantic model, right? So you can click on here, you can get a option like semantic model, IDBC, semantic model. I want to select my tables here. So just I want to create a semantic model. So based on this semantic model, we can build a relationship, then we can visualize and create a insightful information to our. So can anyone guess which example we used the early session? So which business problem we are tackling here? Anyone, any guess? I mean, I just want to two-way communication interactive session, so not feel bored. Anyone? Kaja, I think you are there. Any guess? Yes, yes. Yeah, this is, if you see, this is the semantic model we are building. Now I want build a semantic model in the cloud itself. So previously we use Power BI desktop. Now if you see, this is a semantic model. I want to create a relationship for this one. Manage roles, manage relationship. Just I will create a new relationship. Just, I mean, I want to build a star schema to show easy. We'll go. Yeah. So I just want to, I will explain you later. All the tables related to, I just want to create a star schema. Where is the dates? Order date. So just you want to select a table from here and a date related field and sales table related to sales order. You can take any column, but this is the, it will create one too many. I hope you are aware of this one. Product table, product ID to sales. Where is the product ID? So if you see, I didn't click anything, just I click these tables and click here. The Power BI related semantic model in the fabric automatically taking as a power product ID one too many. So this is cool, right? Previously, when I start my career, I need to go select each and every table and select the columns. Very difficult, you know, how it is. Even I think we have completed, right? If you see, yeah, this is our star schema. So what it is, so we just created a relationship to sales to reason ID, one too many relationship here. So, let's, so after creating this semantic model, we need to create some more DAX measures. Can anyone guess where can we create a new measures? Yeah, see, this is a new measure option we can create here. So this measures, I want to create a total. Previously, we don't have any DAX queries in Power BI service itself also. Now I just want to sum of my revenue information in the sales total revenue. See these guys, how you can create a DAX measure. See, this is the total sales you have created in dates. Oh, this is wrong, guys. We cannot create measure in these dates. I think we have just delete from this model, delete this measure in Power BI DAX desktop is very easy to move everything, but it is still evolving, guys. So, but you can think this that I mean, just I want to show you how I can create a DAX measure in Power BI. Sum of revenue, total revenue. It will create a DAX measure in the sales table. Now I have completed I just build my semantic model. It is completed. So we'll go with our, see, now we have created a new semantic model, right? So from here you can, if you see previously it is writing DAX queries gray outed and create report also gray outed, right? Now I want to create some more DAX measures. So this will open you a Power Query view. So this is the view you can create a DAX measures. So I just want to find out our top customers. So it will show you top customers from this. But I want to build DAX measures. I don't have time left. We'll go with DAX measures here. I just saved this define query in the, just I have copied. We'll see how it is goes. Just copy paste. Each DAX measure, see, it will have a define and evaluate. How we can create this all. This is the total sales. Like previously we have created a sales measure, right? This is the sales measure, sum of sales revenue and sales customer top. All this will run and explain you. So just one click, guys. I don't need to create a different each and every time. Previously we have created sales sum of sales, so one measure one time. Now I created all these measures one at a time. Just I have run. If you see, this is the view: total sales of 1.5 millions and total profits, cumulative sales. How simple is, guys? Yeah, just click on this button. It will load all the DAX measures into our semantic model. You don't need to manually create. All these measures are created into our semantic. We have only sales, right? Now we have created all these DAX measures. So how we can create these DAX measures, and we'll see one more example related. You can create these DAX queries also, no problem, but you can directly copy paste and see, you can summarize directly here. See, previously you have to go to SSMS or MySQL. You need to find the data, raw data. See, now I want to total cumulative sales of my this semantic model. How easy? See, just I have summarized my date table and summarize my cumulative table. See, 2021, 2022, 2023. You can directly do your unit testing or anything if you find anything. You can create a visuals based on here. Just have created all this. So we don't need these DAX measures. So just we'll run this. See, if you see, this is, oh, we have 4 measures. If I want to go fourth one, it will show you here. So this is the online DAX query view. So how it's simple. Let's run our semantic model once again. Now we'll go our beautiful part of. So this is a create report option. You can create Power BI reports in online mode in the Power BI service. It will same as the interface. Now due to time constraint, animal, can we extend 5 more minutes or 10? Can I borrow time? Yeah, thanks. We'll go with unable to open only 10 items. Yeah, I know. I already told, I see how many bunch of I have taken this. So by default, you get only 10 things at a time you can open. So just click on here 3 dots. We'll go with auto created report. See how fast we can create a report using. So once you need to build a data warehouse, load into data into lakehouse. So see, within the seconds you got beautiful insights. How quick summary. So quickly use this personalize. So visuals, anything. See, these are the sales by week date. Somehow it is not familiar looking, not, but you can find, right? At least there is something, total sales are there, uh, customer information, total say collation. This is the KPIs, guys. I mean, it will at least give you some insightful information how this data is showing. Let's enable this one. How we can transform this. Just I want to play around some canvas background. Canvas background. I just want to use one more anything I have here. I don't have nothing. Okay, just I want to add. Oh, where it is went. Okay, see, nothing went. So now I have just added our canvas background, and let's color as black, and canvas background also black. See. Just I want to duplicate here. So I mean, you can use how you want to visualize data. So if you quickly compare to these two, I just have added a nice background related to fabric, but it is not exactly here. But I will show you my report. But see, we'll see some. There is something I need to change here. We have created some data models. I like this view, white and black. Okay, sales by week. So we have already created some DAX measures, right? So why can't we use that total sales? Total sales, and I just want to show this total sales in terms of city wise. How much total from each city is generated. So just drag and drop here and see. No, okay, cities total sales, but you don't see. I mean, you don't find anything. What is this? I mean, it is like a line column, but so based on data, you need to build a chart. It will show you the exact information. Now you see, I have just taken as a class stack bar chart. You can see this is the Chisgard and Halmington. These are the cities information. How much millions of sales it is generated, low to high. You can play with around. Just we'll go with one more visual like total sales by week ending. So I don't prefer this one. I just want to change it as oh, okay, I don't find it. Total sales. Okay, I just want to remove this. I just want to see this how many. See, this is the pie chart. So easy to show you pie chart like a comparison. So if you comparison sales channel, I have a 3 channels. So how much each channel is contributing from sales. So trade supply from we are getting almost 53% of. I need to enable data labels. So now you see easy to find how trade supplies how highest contribution of sales from my taxi services. And I will change this one also total cost. I mean, you can play around, guys, how you want to show your data. I mean, how you represent customers' data information. So we'll change this to, oh, okay, donut chart. Okay, this one also very clumsy. I don't want this one. We'll go with warehouse. Yeah, really. See how this warehouse, each warehouse have different percentage of sales. You can just click on this focus mode. So these are the 4 warehouse I have stored this sales related information. So these are the cost incurred. So we just have taken as a cost here as a total cost per iteration. So each cost from this warehouse can find nicely donut chart. I want to change this total profit also from donut chart to, I mean, I guess you can use any chart. You can build it, take as a, but if you see this one, this is a new visual, like a quick insight to find information related to your sales and information. So I just want to add one more information, like where it is. Let's see. Okay, think we'll change this as a sales summary, right? This is the sales summary we are taking. Sales summary, semantic model, no. We'll take as 2020. No, 2018 bold. Sales summary, will take it as a blue. Sales summary information and total profit, total sales. I mean, look like this is nice how previously when we created a dashboard auto created, and just I want to save this file into my sales summary. Just I am publishing this report into service. See how fast it is. Now you find this is the information look like to present a quick insight to gather from a raw data. If you see where we find a raw data, like a, these are the tables we have. Now we are heading with like, I think, can anyone confirm? I'm sharing my screen PowerPoint presentation. Are you able to see?
No sign up. We are able to see the GitHub portal.
Okay, GitHub. I mean, you see, this is the raw data, right? From this raw data, we have taken as different types of source connections. I think I need to reshare again it. So how quickly we find this information helpful, guys? Like, see, if you see, we have taken different types of from these customers to using a data pipelines and data gen flow to created a data warehouse. From data warehouse to we just used a shortcuts, and one more feature like a database mirroring also there. This is also wonderful. Like if you have a database in MySQL or Cosmos DB, Snowflake, you can just mirroring that data, so entire database will come into stay in your lake house or one lake. So you don't need to do more transformation using a ETL or in Informatica or ADF. You just mirroring your database. So this is, guys, I mean, how this session look like. So from raw data to we get a beautiful semantic model. We have created a semantic model and build a DAX queries and created an entire flow. So from these end users will finally get the some insightful from raw data. All this raw data, different stores, we just use this fabric, a wonderful tool to visualize quickly and gets information. And either way, we are coming to end. Any questions? And this is open floor, guys. You can ask any questions. We can find out. Keep in touch with me. I will share you all these links and files with you guys. Any questions before to wrap it up?
Yes, Sainatha, I have one question.
Yes.
Yeah, so this is basically related to the custom semantic model which you have created.
Yes.
So you have created the measures, right? But as far as I know, there is no option to create a calculated column, right?
Calculated column, currently no.
Yeah, in the semantic model.
Yeah, currently no. But you have already built semantic model, right? So from there you can download that semantic model, uh, do calculations in a Power BI desktop. So once you build the semantic model from there, so you can use it in the desktop level, or else you can use a calculation groups also there.
Okay. Okay.
Calculated columns are not yet coming,
Yeah, as of
but it
now,
is
it's like
still
what we
evaluating,
are
guys.
doing.
Like 2 years of Fabric.
Um,
So, but this is a wonderful, easy to find out how quickly we found out, right? But soon they will add it, no problem. But you can play around with your semantic model.
okay. Yeah. Thanks
Yeah,
for
thanks
answering.
for that. Yeah. Any questions? Yeah, I think Teja is there. Teja, any questions? Any feedback sessions? I Yeah. Thank you, guys. Yeah, welcome. I think this that one related to a ETL tool like a DBT load in a Fabric, right? So this is a new feature. Previously we use DBT loads in on premises. Like now DBT also coming into Fabric. That cool. Yeah, Fabric evaluating, guys. Copilot is there. Okay, chalo guys. Thank you all. Thank you. A nice, wonderful session.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Chalo. Bye.
Thank you, sir.